Skip the store-bought chocolate frosting and use this quick and easy recipe, which is perfect to use on cakes and cupcakes. This frosting is also perfect for piping. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. All ingredients used will be listed in the video description below. Add the butter to a bowl and start creaming the butter on a low speed in a hand or stand mixer. In just a little of the cocoa powders and the confectioner sugar to the butter and use a spatula to combine these ingredients together. I only add a little of each so I don't get clouds of cocoa powder and confectioner sugar everywhere while it's mixing. Feel free to sift the cocoa powders and confectioner sugar prior to adding them to the bowl to prevent lumps in the frosting. Add in some milk to help these ingredients stick together and continue mixing. Keep adding the confectioner sugar and cocoa powders in small increments. When you only have a small amount left, add in the remainder of the milk. Add in any remaining cocoa powders and confectioner sugar to the bowl and continue mixing. Add in the salt and vanilla extract and mix until all ingredients are combined. Add in more confectioner sugar or milk to get the frosting consistency you desire. This chocolate frosting was perfect on my eggless chocolate cake recipe, which you can see in this video link. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like if you liked this video and subscribe to bake more good things next week.